Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into FordPass to manage EV charging sessions, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the FordPass website address or search for it in your browser. Once the page loads, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner. Click the login button to proceed. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Then, input your password in the next field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Sign In button. After logging in, navigate to the main dashboard of your FordPass account. Look for the section dedicated to vehicle management or EV charging. Select your electric vehicle from the list if you have more than one. Now, find the option labeled Manage Charging Sessions or similar. Click on this option to view your current and scheduled charging sessions. To start a new charging session, choose the appropriate option. Follow the prompts to set your desired charging parameters. If you need to monitor your charging status, return to the charging session dashboard. You can also access charging history for a record of your past sessions. Make sure to log out of your account once you're finished to keep your information secure. Now you're all set to manage your EV charging sessions using FordPass effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.